It's in a top side. Go back. Oh, yes! Multiply him. Ooh, that was a close one. Oh.
Merry Christmas!
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
It's in a top side. Oh yes, Kajant. Oh yes. We are watching you. Go back! Oh yes! With a high ho, with a high hey! Da-da-da-da-da-dum. Ladies and gentlemen, Kajant with a 15x top slot. Well, I told you we're gonna get redemption, didn't I? I told you. Come on. Come on now. Okay, so 1,500x is going to be the highest multiplier. Ooh, that was a close one. Also, by the way, look, the whole board is red. The whole board is red. Ladies and gentlemen, take it away. With a high ho, with a high hey. Pirates, life is for me. Let's keep going, guys. So yeah, 1,500x is going to be the highest one. It is your time to make your decisions. Piranhas, I'm joking, Piranhas. It's so good. It's so good. You can ask as many questions as you want. I was joking, Piranhas. Don't worry about it.
This is the amount of money issued, 216,126 euros.
Okay, 5 players got a 1,500, 78 players got a 750x, and so on, so on. Oh, that was amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much. What was that?
Oh, hey, let's go, everybody. We got a pachinko here. Nice. Okay, cool. So, let's see what we got on the board. Nice. All right. Okay, 5x4 starts. Right, 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, 35, 40, 200. Okay, in the middle, we got everything in the middle. 235 and the 42. Okay, we need a... Okay, the spot is great. This is exactly what we want. Whew. All right, let's roll. Bam. Good luck. Okay, what's come on?
This is the amount of money issued, 849,580 for euros.
Ah, fantastic, guys. 200x. Chinko. 6,100 winners. 40,000 Mehmet. 32,000 Jatsawaya. We're cruising. Let's go. Whew. Yeah. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy. You deserve that. Bets close. 4x on coin flip. 4x on coin flip. Opa! We got pachinko. Okay, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, guys, let's now first see the board, naturally. Starting with the 2x. Okay, nothing too special. 15, 20, 35, 100, and a 200, and a double. Wow! Woo! We got a 200 in the middle. We got a 100 and a double on the left. Things are looking nice and buttery. Well, maybe except for the drop point. Well, we can go for 200. Come on, Puck. Hello? Thank you. Woo! Good luck! Okay.
This is the amount of money issued 831,637 euros.
You kidding me? Let's go. Got it. 7,400 winners. 27,000 for the top winner. Man, this is great.
Wow, that's gonna be Pachenko. Woohoo! Our first bonus round. Yes, please. Hi there. Hi, everybody. How are we meant to go? Now let's see what we can catch, Steven. I have a good thought. Let's see what's gonna be for you there. That's a 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 40, 200, and some doubles. Come on, guys. We can make it happen. Alrighty. 3, 2, 1, boom. Come on, 200.
This is the amount of money issued 3,021,933 euros.
11,000 of you got this.
The end. Top winners here is not a spin time. So, of course, guys, good luck, everybody. Moving forwards with the next spin here. Also, betting time and everything. Yeah. So, so far, number 1, 2, 5. Crazy time and cash on has come around. So, still some segments to catch here. Need Pachinko. Need Coin Flip. And number 10. And then we can say we've got them all. 2x and Crazy Time. Baby, we are getting it. Ooh. I'm loving this. Follow me now. Oh, yeah, guys. Welcome, everybody. We're here back at it. Look at that. We got a multiplier on top as well for this. 2x here going on. Let's drop it on like it's hot. First and everything here on the wheel, yeah. It's like we just doubled up everything here on the wheel. And also, go for your choice now. Which flapper to choose, guys. Pick wisely. The green, the blue, the yellow one, or auto pick option instead. Okay, 200x here going on. Good luck. Putoosh.
This is the amount of money issued for 141,657 euros.
Wow. 200, 30, and 70. Ooh. Welcome back.
And take a break whenever the fun is over. Final seconds, final moments, and boom, that's close. That's gonna be 2x in the Crazy Time. Could be nice, could be nice. Stop, stop, stop. Woo! Yes, thank you. Another success. Hey, follow me. Here we meet again at the biggest wheel of them all, the Crazy Time. Of course, this is going to be 2x in the Crazy Time from Topslot, so let's double the fun. Let's double the fun. And of course, it's about a time for you to place your predictions. Which flopper is going to be yours? Blue, yellow, or the greenie? Which is it going to be? Final seconds, come on. Time is ticking, time is essence. And boom. Alright, we're going to go with 200.
This is the amount of money issued 966,713 euros.
a 28. 200x multiplier for Team Yellow. Wow, wow, wow. Team Yellow, that was a moment indeed. Congrats. Enjoy that winning. Let's continue and let's see what we're gonna catch.
Alright, bets closed. Good luck. Favorite team for Euro? 7x cash-ons. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Oh, boy. 7x on cash, and this is it, guys. This is what you came here for. This is going to be fun. And we got 100. No, what am I talking about? We got 700x there. We got 525x. We got 105. Oh boy, look at that. This is beautiful. Look at this. This is beautiful. Okay, guys, let's mix it up now. Right? All you gotta do, click on something, and hopefully it's gonna be something over 100x, and the chances are really great. Really great. I think more than half of the screen is at least 100x. Let's go. Woo. All right. Good luck. Reveal. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued: 1,402,577 euros.
We got 35 with 700x, 430 with 520x. Oh boy, this is beautiful, guys. All of you are happy. No, okay. Maybe not all of you, but most of you. Hopefully. All right, this was awesome. Back to
A little bit of a multiplier. All right, hold on to your hats, darlings. Now this is gonna be fun. Darlings, let's get some multis on. All right, we have some 100x multiplier, but wait. Merry Christmas, ladies and gentlemen. 1,500x as the highest multiplier. Yep, indeed. 1,500. So everything just got multiplied 15 times. Exactly. You're hearing me right. 15 times multiplier for everything. So now it's time for you to make your decisions yet again. Same drill, same things, guys. One shot for every single one of you. One shot. To this side, where do you think the highest? 1,500 is.
This is the amount of money issued: 1,439,860 euros.
I have no idea where is the highest one. Probably you see it. And guys, congratulations! Look at the... Got this chance. I said that. Yeah, you were the 791. Congratulations. Amazing. Great success. Let's continue. Let's do it again. Where are the bonuses? Are they sleeping or what? What's happening? Let's bring them on. Let's put. Whoa, 5x in a Pachinko. Lovely. Come on, baby. Come on. You can do it. Woo! That's a 5 times a Pachinko. Ding, 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 ding. Attenzione. Attenzione. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Hi. Hi there. Okay. Previous time we had a 200x, right? But now we have 5x in this Pachinko. So let's see how far up the multiplier is going to go. We're going to start with 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, 40, 100x. 500 is on the line. Ladies and gentlemen, look at the wall. It's amazing. It's gorgeous. Let's do it. Come on. Give me that 500. All right, fuck. It's 500 or nothing. I believe you. Come on. Come on. Come on. 500. Come on. Yes. Yes.
This is the amount of money issued to 1,655,133 euros.
Amazing. 500. 13,000 players won this round. 57,000 goes for Antic himself. Wow. Incredible. Another success at the pachinko. Wow. Who would have thought that first? Oh, it's getting hot. 193 of you got this round. And my boo, yes, you were the tough now with 650. Now I'm back there as well. Congratulations. Amazing outcome. Amazing one indeed. Let's continue. Let's go. Coin flip. Just let it count. Come on. Slow down. Stop. Stop. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a 20x on coin flip. Ding, 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 ding. Woo! Yes, please. Hi. Hi there. I don't know what's happening with the multipliers and bonuses, but I'm loving this. I am loving this. Oh dear goodness, that's a full versus 25x. Another 500? Do you want another 500? Hi. Can we have another 500, please? Alright.
This is the amount of money issued to 1,574,873 euros.
Second 500 in this session, baby. 11,000 of you got this one. Chevy, yes, you waited up now with 67,000. Woo! Amazing job. Let's continue. Come on. Oh my, this is getting hot. These bonuses, like, excuse-moi, 200 on pachinko, 500 on pachinko, like...
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.